Hello, I'm Ant Joblin and these are the top news stories for the week ending the 3rd of September 2021. Applications for the UK's Global Talent Visa increased by nearly 30% between April 2020 and March 2021. The visa, which allows founders or employees with technical or business experience to work in the UK for up to 5 years, has received over 4,000 applications since its launch, with more than a third of those coming through in the last 12 months. Gerard Gretsch, founding CEO of Tech Nation, which promotes the Global Talent Visa on behalf of the Home Office, said the scheme will help ensure the UK remains one of the best destinations to start and scale a tech business in the months and years to come. Google has delayed plans to have employees return to the office for a third time due to the spread of the Delta variant of COVID-19. In a blog post, CEO Sundar Pichai pinned the 10th of January 2022 as the new date of return. He added that the company hopes to see teams coming together in person as soon as possible, but he also acknowledged some workers may feel too uncertain to do so yet. The move follows similar announcements from Amazon, Apple and Facebook, which have also recently reassessed their plans for a return to the office. Microsoft will officially begin rolling out Windows 11 from next month, and all eligible devices will be offered the free upgrade by mid-2022. From the 5th of October, the company will start making Windows 11 available to new Windows 10 PCs, and computers with Windows 11 preloaded will go on sale. In-market devices, those already bought and in use, will then be offered the update on a staggered basis. Not all Windows 10 devices will be eligible, however, and users should check if their hardware is compatible before trying to upgrade. That's all for this week, but join us next time for more news from the world of IT.